Hi everyone. Welcome to the OpenDairy market update on the 1st of May. A famous stockbroker's quote goes like, "Sell in May and go away, but remember to be back in September." But selling seems to be the problem in today's market, and in the meantime, stocks are building. So it seems like it'll be worthwhile to stay around in May, and maybe all the way up to September, as we expect we have a dynamic time ahead of us. On the supply side, not much has changed. The first indicators are pointing towards a strong season ahead in New Zealand. And the flush in Europe and the US is still going strong. We hear that plenty of milk is absorbed by the newly built cheese capacity, while cheese prices are holding steady and therefore provides the best valorization. According to our calculations, Gouda still provides a return of about 40 cents per kg milk, meaning that the farmgate prices might bottom out over the next few months. But finding buyers for all that cheese requires export markets to step up the gas. This goes for powders as well. The powder market is hard to read. Buyers are not active on the spot market, but are keen on covering Q3 and Q4. Sellers behave in exactly the opposite way. This results in nice contangos on the derivatives markets. However, it seems that mainly the larger buyers are covering forward, as the spot market is still relatively quiet. We might see this change in the coming few weeks. That's why we recommend you not to sell in May and go away, as the quote stated in the beginning of this update. During last GDT, we saw a concentrated, but sudden chunk of demand popping up in the market. Chinese WMP imports are still lagging behind, but SMP imports are starting to look stronger. Southeast Asian demand is still very quiet. So where does this leave us? The longer the demand remains low, the higher the chance it will come back in the foreseeable future. Buyers can't be idle forever. There's no worrying news from any of the supply regions that creates some urgency on the buy side. The wait-and-see strategy has been successful the last 6 months. But buyers are happy to pull the trigger at some point, as prices are probably below the levels that many companies budgeted for in December 2022. It seems like the EU and the US are building some stocks, driven by good output. These stocks might hit the market when New Zealand's new season starts gearing up. Demand is key, and we see the first signs of revival in some regions. Let's see if GDT reflects the same tomorrow. Thank you for your attention. Do you want to know the weekly prices we have seen trading at OpenDairy? Please sign up to our weekly wrap-up as well.